Why urgency? What is the urgency?
The petitioner is suffering from mouth cancer, my lord. Still, my lord, he is in hospitalized Tata Memorial. His treatment is
On account of the petitioner suffering from mouth cancer and the urgent requirement of his hospitalization, this case has been given a priority hearing. Yes.
Lord, page 13 is the first byan. Offences are under section 386, 387, read with section 3 and 4 of Explosive Substance Act. Page 13, Lord, is the first byan. So far allegation is
माउथ कैंसर तो बड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है. आप आर्म्स एक्ट के भी मुदाले हैं पहले से.
2010 का केस है वो जो. That is.
What is the allegation in this?
In fact, nothing has been alleged, not only a suspicion.
No. देखें FIR क्या है?
Page 13, Lord. May I read that, Lord?
Yes. ये कैसे information आया कि बम आपने रखा था?
पता नहीं. All of only on suspicion, my Lord.
No, we'll be required to see the diary.
And later not by annexure 2, both have compromised the issue also.
No, that is irrelevant. That's irrelevant. Two of the children playing
but Lord,
outside, they were injured because of bomb blast.
But Lord, paragraph 11 I have categorically stated.
आप बोलिए कि investigation में क्या material आया जिससे justify हो सके कि आपकी prosecution गलत है.
Except suspicion, there is absolutely nothing.
And Lord, we'll see the diary and then only grant you bail.
In paragraph 11, my Lord, I have stated that till today, my Lord, injury report is not on record.
They heard Mr. Ranjan Kumar Jha, learned advocate for the petitioner and so-and-so for the state. The petitioner seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so-and-so. Two children playing outside their house were injured by bomb blast. It was found that a bomb was kept concealed inside the stack of straw outside the houses of the neighborhood. It is only on suspicion that the petitioner is sought to be prosecuted with the allegation of concealing the aforesaid explosive substance which has caused injuries to two of the children. The Land Council for the petitioner has submitted that during the course of investigation, nothing could be collected against the petitioner to draw any link between the offence and the hand or complicity and his complicity. Even the injury report of the victims are not on record. Call for the case diary and list this matter on receipt of the same on 30th of June. The petitioner in the meanwhile, in the event of his arrest or surrender, shall be released on provisional bail 10,000.